as Inuit, we have lived and thrived in the Arctic for time immemorial, for thousands of years. And we've been able to do so exactly because we see ourselves as part of the ecosystem. What we do with and to nature is, also affects us directly as peoples. And that's very, very obvious for us as Inuit, both in former times, but also today, where many Inuit families continue to rely on sustaining themselves from hunting and fishing, where our economies are built on also fisheries, for example, here in Galashiels at Greenland, where subsistence whaling is a big thing and big issue for Inuit in both Alaska and Canada and Chukotka. Where we see that attention to the Arctic has also over time included attention from environmentalists on one side, trying to delimit our access to the resources, living resources, for example, or also attention to the Arctic, including industrial activities that might harm our access to these resources. So for us, it's extremely important that all government and management, international management and international government of our region happens with us at the table to make sure that the decisions that are taken do not harm our rights,